Welcome back, guys. Today, we're bringing you some of the best kitchen hacks and tools to make meal prep quicker and easier than ever. From time-saving gadgets to genius cooking shortcuts, these finds will totally upgrade your kitchen game. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below so you can grab your favorites. This waffle maker makes it easy to enjoy fresh, homemade waffles. The non-stick coating ensures easy release and cleanup. Indicator lights let you know when the waffle iron is preheated and when your waffles are ready. The Cool Touch handle provides safe and comfortable handling. A convenient cord storage compartment keeps your countertop tidy. This is an electric kettle that boils water quickly, reaching your desired temperature in just 3 minutes thanks to its 1,500 watt power. It features automatic shutoff and boil dry protection for safe use. The kettle is cordless for easy serving, with a 360-degree swivel base for comfortable pouring. Blue LED lights indicate the heating process, turning off when the water has boiled. This is a sushi making kit that brings the art of sushi preparation right to your kitchen. It includes 4 essential tools, such as bamboo mats for rolling classic sushi rolls like California rolls, a bazooka roller for easy rice rolling, a tamaki mat for those who love hand rolls, and a rice mold for crafting nigiri and gunkan sushi. To help you get started, it comes with a detailed user guide that covers how to use each tool, tips for preparing sushi rice, and 6 sample recipes. This is a silicone baking mat made from high-quality food-grade platinum silicone, great for keeping your countertop clean while you bake. The non-stick surface reduces the need for excess flour or oil, even for sticky dough like sourdough or brioche. Its electrostatic, non-slip design ensures the mat stays firmly in place on various countertops, and the raised edges prevent spills. The mat features clear, durable measurements and concentric circles, helping you create uniformly sized dough. This is a vegetable dryer that makes cleaning and drying your produce quick and easy. It's designed for one-handed operation, so you can effortlessly rinse and dry your salad greens, fruits, and even berries in seconds. The large spinner also works as a colander, while the clear plastic bowl can double as a salad or mixing bowl. With its simple push-to-spin mechanism and brake button, it's great for busy meal prep. This whipped cream dispenser makes light and fluffy whipped cream with ease. The aluminum body and stainless steel nozzles are durable and easy to clean. Simply chill the canister, add cream and a charger, and shake to create perfect whipped cream in seconds. 3 different nozzles allow for various decorative finishes. This is a digital air fryer oven that helps you cook meals faster while saving energy. Thanks to its turbo technology, it cooks foods like French fries, steak, and chicken much faster than traditional ovens, using over 77% less energy. This 10-in-1 appliance lets you air fry, bake, roast, toast, and more with 21 smart presets for easy cooking. With a spacious 26-quart capacity, it can handle large family meals fitting a 14-pound turkey or a 12-inch pizza. This is a Fat Separator that makes it simple to create leaner gravies, soups, and sauces. It has a built-in strainer to catch unwanted bits, and its non-slip handle allows you to release liquid from the bottom while leaving the fat behind. The silicone shutoff valve seals tightly to prevent leaks, and convenient measurement markings in cups, ounces, and milliliters help with portion control. This is a set of 24 food-grade silicone baking cups available in 3 colors: navy, dusty blue, sage green, and designer white. They're easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and resistant to odors. You can use them in the microwave, oven, freezer, or a muffin tin without needing grease or non-stick spray. Each cup measures 3 inches in diameter and 1.25 inches in height. Great for freestanding use or in most standard muffin tins. This is an electric egg cooker that helps you prepare eggs in multiple ways, like boiling, poaching, or making omelets. It features a 7-slot tray and an automatic shutoff with a ready buzzer for easy cooking. The clear lid lets you monitor progress, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. Its compact size saves counter space while still being versatile for different meals.